In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream OBS to Zoom using the OBS virtual camera. This method is not only the best, but also the easiest way to integrate your OBS setup directly into Zoom. Whether you want to enhance your presentations, add cool overlays, or simply utilize your webcam creatively, this guide will walk you through every step to make that possible. Let's begin by setting up your scene in OBS. Think of your OBS scene as the canvas on which you'll paint your presentation. You'll be adding various sources here, which might include your webcam, any screen captures you need, and perhaps some images or overlays to add a personalized touch. Take your time arranging everything precisely how you want it to appear, because this is what will be seen during your Zoom meeting. Once you're satisfied with your setup, it's time to turn on the virtual camera in OBS. You'll find the option right there in the OBS interface. Simply click on Start Virtual Camera. This fantastic feature creates a simulated webcam based on your OBS scene, seamlessly bridging the gap between OBS and your Zoom meeting. With your OBS virtual camera running, it's time to link it to Zoom. Open up your Zoom application and head into the settings. Once in settings, navigate to the video section. Here you'll see a list of available cameras, and all you need to do is select the OBS virtual camera. This tells Zoom to use your creatively crafted OBS scene as your video feed. And now we're at the final exciting step, starting your Zoom meeting. With everything set up, your OBS scene will now broadcast in place of a typical webcam feed. This means you can dynamically switch between different scenes, incorporate engaging visuals, or superimpose text and graphics to keep your audience engaged. Using this method, your presentations and meetings can become more visually engaging and professional. You might consider tweaking scenes on the fly to respond to interactions or feedback during the meeting, which is an excellent way to keep your content dynamic and interesting. So there you have it. By following this straightforward approach, you've successfully leveraged the power of OBS within Zoom, enhancing your meetings or presentations with eye-catching layouts and creative content. Remember, practice is key to mastering this setup. The more you experiment with different scene compositions and OBS features, the more polished and unique your output will become. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to explore the many possibilities OBS offers for your future Zoom meetings. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share if this tutorial helped you. And stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to use technology to your advantage. Happy streaming!